Hello everyone, hello Liam. It's been a while, but I wanted to do one more quick experiment. This is a leak-proof bag. So one of these bags will not leak even when we put sharp pencils through it. So your hypothesis, should you decide to make it, is which bag do you think will not leak and why? If you have a couple of other bags you want to experiment with at home, you can do that. So you just need at least 2 different types of bags to test, a few sharp pencils, and then some water because we need to see if it leaks out. I also have a tray. I have a tray here in case it leaks. You could do this in the bathroom or in the kitchen over a sink. Okay, so I'm going to add the water to the bag. Definitely check and make sure your bag doesn't have any holes to begin with. That would defeat the whole purpose. Okay. Oh, guess what? That bag had a hole that I didn't see. So I have another grocery bag. Here you go. Moment of truth. Ah! It leaks. It definitely leaks. So I'll be right back and we'll test the second one. Okay, here we go. Our second test. Gallon-sized bag. Hopefully there are no holes in this one either. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that is enough. I'm going to seal it. Let's try. What? It's not leaking. Let's try a second one. It's still not leaking. So, was your hypothesis correct? Basically, according to the internet, these bags are made of a polymer. So it's like sort of in between the molecules of a solid and a liquid, and even though we're making a hole, it fills in the space around the hole, around the pencil. So I see a couple of little drops, but it doesn't really leak. It kind of seals the hole. Obviously, that didn't work with our other plastic bag. It's not the same type of flexible plastic as this one. And I don't know, what do you think? Would it work with a paper bag? Would it work with a cloth bag? You can think about it. That was fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.